my dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Medical Biochemistry by Dr. Vasan Gosai. Today we will discuss about the thalassemia and anemia. Here in thalassemia, the name is derived from the Greek word thalassa, which means the sea. Greeks identified this disease present around the Mediterranean Sea. थैलेसीमिया मे बी डिफाइन एज दी नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन इन दी एबनॉर्मल प्रोपोर्शंस। यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि हीमोग्लोबिन नॉर्मल होता है लेकिन एबनॉर्मल प्रोपोर्शन में उसकी जो चेन्स जो होती है, ठीक है, वो एबनॉर्मल प्रोपोर्शन में होती है। द जीन फंक्शन इज एबनॉर्मल बट देयर इज नो एबनॉर्मलिटी इन दी पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन्स। The reduction in alpha chain synthesis is called alpha thalassemia, while the beta chain synthesis reduction it is called the beta thalassemia. Other types like delta beta thalassemia, HB leporae, hereditary persistence of the HbF, ठीक है, they are related to conditions. Now first one is the beta thalassemia. Beta thalassemia is more common than the alpha variety. Alpha variety is a very rare conditions. Okay, beta thalassemia, beta type is characterized by decrease or absence of the synthesis of the beta chains. As a compensation, the gamma or delta chain synthesis is increased. So, and in inheritance, the beta thalassemia are phenotypically described as a beta plus or beta 0 depending on whether there is beta chain synthesis or not. Okay, beta 0 thalassemia may result from the base substitutions. Okay, in molecular genetics it is beta 0 thalassemia result from the base substitutions. Beta plus thalassemias are produced from the defect in post-transcriptional modification during the post-transcriptional processing of the mRNA. Now the alpha thalassemia. Alpha thalassemia, they result from the different types of the gene deletions. Okay, here there are two pairs of the alpha genes per cell, a single gene deletion or a pair of genes in the chromosomes. Okay, deletions, that does not have much effect on the chain productions. Here the alpha thalassemia is rarer because alpha chain deficiency is incompatible with the life. Now what is the thalassemia syndrome? These syndromes are mainly seen in the people of the Asian, African and Mediterranean origins. All the cases of the thalassemia are characterized by the deficiency of the HbA synthesis. Here in this patient the anemia, and they are mostly hypochromic and microcytic anemia. In homozygous state the clinical manifestations are more severe and they called thalassemia major, and in heterozygous condition they called as thalassemia minor, and the clinical signs and symptoms are minimal. Now the synthesis of unaffected chains occur at the normal rate. Since they do not have the complementary chains to bind, they form the aggregates and precipitate within the cells, and these precipitates or inclusion bodies. Okay, here the inclusion bodies, this leads to the membrane damage and destructions of the red blood cells. The coexistence of the HbS and beta thalassemia trait is fairly common in these patients. Here the homozygous beta thalassemia is characterized by severe anemia, hypersplenism and hepatosplenomegaly. Here in the patient of the alpha thalassemia, in X-ray you can see the marrow in the skull bones expand and producing the hair on end appearance in the X-ray. The repeated blood transfusion is the only available treatment, and this may lead to the iron overload. Splenectomy may also lessen the anemia. The marrow transplantation has been successfully tried in the few cases. Now fourth one is the hemoglobin leporae. It is composed of 2 alpha chains and 2 delta beta chimeric chains. Okay, here the delta beta chains, they some segments they combine and form the chimera. It is called chimerism. Here the amino terminal made up of the delta chains and carboxy terminal end is made up of the beta chains. Here the non-homologous crossing over the chromosomes is the cause for this chimera. Now myoglobin. Myoglobin is mostly seen in the muscles. Myoglobin's contents of the skeletal muscle is 2.5 gram per 100 gram and of cardiac muscle 1.4 gram percentage and of smooth muscles 0.3 gram percentage. Myoglobin is a single polypeptide chain. Human myoglobin contains 152 amino acids with a molecular weight of 17,000 daltons. One molecule of myoglobin can combine with one molecule of the oxygens. The hemoglobin carries oxygen from the lungs to tissue capillaries, from where the oxygen diffuses into the tissues. In the muscles, the oxygen is taken up by the myoglobin for the sake of the tissue respirations. Myoglobin has the higher affinity, okay, for the oxygen than that of the hemoglobin. Here the partial pressure of the oxygen in the tissue is about 30 millimeter of the mercury when myoglobin is 90% saturated, and at this partial pressure of the oxygen, hemoglobin saturation will be only 50%. In severe physical exercise, the partial pressure of oxygen in muscles lowers to 5 millimeter of the mercury when myoglobin releases all the bound oxygens. Myoglobin has a high oxygen affinity while Bohr effect, cooperative effect and 2,3 BPG effect are the absent. Now anemias. In India, the anemia is common medical problems, and perhaps about 75% of the patients attending a primary health centers may have signs and symptoms directly or indirectly related to the anemia. Anemia results when the hemoglobin concentration in blood is reduced. Here the normal value of the hemoglobin in male is 14 to 16 gram per deciliter and in female 13 to 15 gram per deciliter. If the hemoglobin level is below 10 gram per deciliter, it is severe conditions. Okay. The most common cause of the anemia in India is iron deficiency, and other causes are as follows. The first one is the anemia due to impaired production of the RBCs, and this is due to defect in the heme synthesis, defect in its regulators and defect in the stem cells. Defect in heme synthesis is due to the deficiency of the nutritional factors like iron, copper, pyridoxal phosphate deficiency, folic acid, vitamin B12 or vitamin C deficiency. Lead will also inhibit the heme synthesis. Now defect in regulators like erythropoietins, okay, which is produced from the renal tissue, is a necessary stimulant for the RBC synthesis. Then defect in stem cells, aplastic anemia due to drugs like chloramphenicol, infections and malignant infiltrations may lead to the anemia. Second one is the hemolytic anemia due to the intracorpuscular defect. Intracorpuscular defect like hemoglobinopathies, HbS, HbC and HbM, then thalassemia, then abnormal shape like spherocytosis of the RBCs, elliptocytosis, then enzyme deficiency of the enzyme like G6PD. Okay, this causes the hemolytic anemia. Then hemolytic anemia due to the extracorpuscular defect, outer side like infections, then autoimmune hemolysis, then isoimmune hemolysis, then hemolysis due to drug sensitizations, okay, like drugs like many drugs like alpha methyl dopa, quinine, okay, may fix on the RBC membrane and produce the antibodies against the produces antibody against the altered membranes. Okay, then autoimmune hemolysis, the antibodies are seen against the RBC membrane component. Syphilis and lymphoreticular neoplasia are the common causes. Then hemorrhage, the hematuria, hematemesis, hemoptysis, peptic ulcer, metrorrhagia, okay, hemorrhoids are the usual causes for the hemorrhages. Hemophilia and thrombocytopenia are the other causes for the bleeding tendency. This is the model of the myoglobin at the low resolutions. Okay. This is the oxygen dissociation curves. Okay, thank you.